Another joke. An American airplane was about to crash. Unfortunately, there were only 3 parachutes on board, but 4 passengers. The first one was a very famous basketball player. He said, I'm very popular. Millions of Americans want me to leave, so they don't want me to die at all. So he took the first parachute and left the plane. The second passenger was the president, the newly elected president of the United States, Donald Trump. He said, I'm just a newly elected president. The American people love me, and I'm quite sure they don't want me to die. So he took the second parachute and left the plane. The third passenger was Pope Francisco. He said, unfortunately, there is only parachute left. I'm old, and my expectation to live is not goes not so far. So I want to sacrifice my life and give the parachute to this young boy, just 10 years old. The young boy said, oh, Your Excellence, I want to thank you for your kindness, but there is no need to give me your parachute because the president, the clever president on American history, took my school pack.